Okay, real quick video today showing you how to replace the cabin filter in your car. This is actually a Lexus we're in, but this is really similar among most manufacturers. So usually step one is to get the glove box out. Varies between different cars. In this one, you have to turn these little clips. Basically, you turn it to the left or right, and that kind of releases it so you can pull it out. Again, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's not the easiest thing in the world. So repeat on the other side. Just spin it 90 degrees. Usually they'll only turn one direction. Some go both directions, and other glove boxes have a completely different way to remove. But twist these, and that lets the glove box drop out. And then you can see the cabin filter right here. There's a clip on either side, so I'm removing the clips one at a time, releasing the clips. Slide out the air filter, and you'll see these things. If you haven't changed it, this car has less than 100,000 miles on it, and you'll see this thing is disgusting. I mean, that's everything that it's been stopping, thankfully, from getting inside your vehicle. So, time to get a new one. You can pick these up at your local parts store, order online, whatever your preference is. And if you need help with your specific car, just post a comment below, and I'll try to help anybody who doesn't know how to replace the one in their car. I'll try to give you a set of instructions. So in this case, this one's in a frame. Most of them are. So remove the old one. Be careful because they have an arrow on there indicating the direction of airflow. So in general, you'll want to line that up with the way the old one was. Typically, airflow is from top to bottom on most of these filters, obviously, which is why the leaves and dirt is on top of the filter, because that's where the air comes in. So just make sure the arrow is lined up correctly on your filter. Also, this is handy if you're having trouble with some odor in your car. Frequently, there's something in here like decaying leaves or something causing that. So handy to replace these occasionally, especially if you're noticing a smell. So then it just slides right back in there, clips back in, and then of course lift up your glove box and replace those clips. That's it. Happy to help. If these don't work for you, just post below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.